The world's heaviest soaring bird, the Andean condor, at almost 17 kilograms. The 6-month-old juvenile has already reached his weight limit. Launching at first light could mean risking a crash landing over 1,000 meters below. So his flight plan is to follow the more experienced adults, waiting patiently for thermals that rise with the strengthening sun. A plucked feather lets them know when it's safe to fly. If it floats up, they're clear for takeoff. And now a youngster can have confidence in his leap of faith. On 3-meter wings, the condors soar, effortlessly gliding over 400 kilometers a day in search of food. Across the high plateau to the east of the Andes, known as the steppe.